I've done a lot of clothing swap projects for storyboards and films. Sometimes, ACE++ doesn't work well if the subject and the reference object aren't in similar frames. This often leads to going back and forth, cropping images, and trying to get an acceptable result. Today I want to share with you the ultimate swapping workflow. This workflow can swap faces, dresses, objects, and almost anything you can imagine. All it takes is drawing a mask, and the swap is done with perfect accuracy. The method is inspired by Joker AI, the famous YouTuber known for his tutorials on artificial intelligence. This workflow is simple, powerful, and opens up endless creative possibilities. Why is this workflow so powerful? Because it combines the ACE++ portrait consistency LoRa with an additional style layer called Flux Redux. And all of this runs on top of the base model Flux Fill Dev. The result is unmatched consistency. I've tested a lot of fashion and clothing swap projects before. Most of them are hit or miss. But this workflow is different. It's so good, it can even swap clothing correctly across different camera angles. For example, with a straight front shot and a side view of the same subject, it still does an excellent job of keeping the outfit aligned and natural. Now we'll try swapping an intricate traditional style attire and see how well the workflow transfers the clothing. The transfer is successful. We can see how perfectly it's swapped with all the patterns and details preserved. The workflow is easy to follow because it flows from left to right. I've grouped the steps into clear processing categories, starting from image processing to Redux and then to in-painting. Each section is titled Step 1, Step 2, and so on. This makes the workflow simple to understand and also easier to troubleshoot or modify. Before we wrap up, let's try an object swap. I'll load an image of a man drinking whiskey. This time I'll swap it via a wine bottle. And the best part is, in the prompt we don't even need to enter anything. The workflow is smart enough to swap whatever is inside the mask area. And the result is a perfect swap. Whoops, that's a good swap.